Hello and welcome back. Today I got here the Can-Am Outlander 570 and I'm going to be installing the Bison heavy duty front bumper. Let's get to it. Here is everything that comes in the kit. We got a support plate, 4 different sizes of bolts, the front bumper, and the instructions. The first thing I need to do is remove the stock bumper. First I'll take out these Torx 40 screws at the top and then these 13 mil bolts at the bottom. Now that I got this sad little thing off, I can remove the winch spare lead with an 8 mil Allen key and a 15 mil wrench to hold the nut on the back side. Now I can reinstall the Allen key bolts that hold on this front piece of plastic. Now we're going to install this bracket here. The kit recommends to use these 40 mil bolts, but they are too long and they go through and will cause damage to the winch. So I'm going to use the stock bolts and a large washer. We're going to install the curved side here into the machine. And then tighten the bolts. Now I'm going to slide the bumper on, and I'm going to take these 1 3/4 inch bolts with a large washer on top and a large washer on the bottom and slide them through these top holes here. Before I can get my bolts through, I'll have to take my pair of pliers here and squish the clamps down just a little bit so that the bolts will reach. Now I'm going to take these 3/4 inch bolts here with the washer and install them through the bracket and into the bottom holes in the bumper. Next, we'll go around and tighten up all the bolts. tighten up the bottom bolts, I used a 3-inch extension, a 1 foot, and a universal swivel with a 13mm socket. The last thing I need to do is reinstall the winch spare lead with a 1-inch bolt and washer provided in the kit. I also recommend putting a washer on the backside because the holes in the bumper are a little bit big. Now reinstall the winch hook. And just like that, our Bison heavy duty front bumper is installed. Looks pretty good. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my Bison front bumper install on the Can-Am Outlander 570. Ride safe.